To tackle debt effectively, it's essential to understand when to use the EveryDollar debt snowball method. This approach, popularized by financial expert Dave Ramsey, is a straightforward and motivational way to eliminate debt. First, you need to list all your debts, from the smallest balance to the largest. This is the core principle of the debt snowball method. The idea is to pay off the smallest debts first, while making minimum payments on the rest, to build momentum and confidence. For example, let's say you have 3 debts: a credit card with a $500 balance, a personal loan with a $2,000 balance, and a car loan with a $10,000 balance. According to the debt snowball method, you would focus on paying off the credit card balance first, as it's the smallest, while making minimum payments on the personal loan and the car loan. Once you've paid off the credit card, you would use that money to attack the next smallest debt, which is the personal loan, and so on. This approach provides a psychological boost as you quickly eliminate smaller debts and see progress. It's crucial to note that the debt snowball method may not always be the most cost-effective approach, especially if you have debts with significantly high interest rates. In such cases, you might consider using the debt avalanche method, where you prioritize debts based on their interest rates. However, if you're looking for a simple and motivational way to get started with debt elimination, the EveryDollar debt snowball method is a great option. Remember to also focus on changing your spending habits and building an emergency fund to avoid falling into debt again in the future. By following these steps and staying committed, you can effectively use the EveryDollar debt snowball method to pay off your debts and achieve financial freedom.